Alright, so automatic pilot bushing on an RB. It's not your typical brass one that you would have on a manual. It is kind of a steelish one. I guess it's steel, and it's a pain in the ass to get out. There's really no space behind the bearing for you to try to do the bread trick and whatnot. I was originally going to give that a try, but once I stuck my finger in there, there's really no space for the bread to push the bushing out. So instead what I did, happened to have a tap, and I was able to use a 1/2-inch tap to thread the bushing. And then with some ingenuity, I found a piece of 1/2-inch pipe that I was able to thread into the bushing, and then from there I was able to get so this is threaded in. I was able to get another nut that would thread on this end, and then I used a puller slide hammer and was able to get it out. I know there's multiple ways to do it. I think the easiest way that I've seen was to just weld a nut to it, and then you can use a slide hammer and thread the slide hammer into the nut and then slide it out. But this was one other way. I didn't feel like trying to weld because I suck at welding, and this just so happens that we have these parts laying around. Anyways, hope that was somewhat helpful, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, fellas.